So the source of our repulsion then lies within us. So our enemies are custom made. I feel like Oklahoma historically is a rivalry or an enemy, but Michigan is not, because there's, Nebraska doesn't have a dog in that fight. But for Chris, Michigan is a bitter rivalry, but Oklahoma is not, because they're not teams that really play each other. They don't have a dog in that fight. And so our enemies fit a unique profile to each of us. And so the reason for this is actually counterintuitive. So people by whom we are repelled activate some part of ourselves that we have repressed, a part we refuse to acknowledge since we are preoccupied by the person repelling us. And so this is the inferiority complex that Chris was talking about with Michigan State, like refusing to acknowledge that inferiority complex and being preoccupied with Michigan and hating Michigan. And so our reactivity then is the cry of something within us that is screaming to be noticed. Our enemies serve as mirrors. They reflect to us that which we have relegated to the shadows of our own inner world. Our resistance to holding them with compassion is rooted in a resistance to holding ourselves with compassion.